today we're doing a post-construction cleaning. They didn't paint under this breakfast bar thing here. So you can see everything's really covered with dust. Look at this. See that? That's all probably grout. And this stove is really dusty. And like look in here. See all this? We gotta clean all that up. This is a neat little house. Yeah, me too. That's a laundry room back in there and a little breakfast nook here. And the dining and living area. And then this is hall bathroom here. Turn the light on. See how dusty everything is, and have to get that off of there. Good, they got the fixtures on and get all this grungy stuff out of the tub. And then let's see, back here, there's a bedroom. The carpet people were here yesterday and put the carpets in. We gotta clean the windows too. This house is in Acworth, Georgia. And I know we gotta get it cleaned today. There's a closet and this is the second bedroom. Because they're coming in tomorrow to stage it for sale. And I don't know what they're asking for it, but this is the master bedroom. And the master bathroom, more dust. Some stuff under the sink there. And look at the shower. It's a nice shower, isn't it? And they don't have the mirror up yet either. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll come back later and show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, we're done. So I'm doing my video. So I'm talking to my people. Look, the stove is put together and pretty and shiny. I didn't really show you how the sink was, but it was bad. And the floors look good. They're all nice and clean. And the windows. There's no refrigerator here. But here's these drawers to see. Remember how they had all those? Look, there's still some sawdust in it. That's all gone. That's, do you leave the lights on all the time? No, I'm gonna turn those off, and I took the heat down, so that's Lori. She's helping me. Here's the bathroom. The mirror looks so much better. Everything's clean. Remember how grungy the tub was? So I got clean. And see, one of the things when you have construction, like you see these black tiles, they had a film of all over them from the grout for the tiles, the new tiles. So we had to get all that off and make it shiny. So she did the bathroom and she did a great job. Look how pretty. See the shine? Okay, so that's that. And here's the bedroom. Look at the pretty carpet lines. Looks nice. And there's another bedroom down here, all done. Pretty. See, the windows are nice and pretty clean. They got reflections in them. Notice that it's dark. We worked hard today. And then here's the master bedroom. That floor's done. And those windows are nice and clean. And finally the master bathroom. And she got all that dust off of this counter here. Everything looks good. The sink is shining. And there's nothing on those glass tiles or the glass door. It looks great. So we're done. This is the house in Acworth, and now I'm going to go around and turn all the lights off. You all have a good evening. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.